I just can't, even though I try. Woo, woo, woo. Before I go any further, let me just say, I don't mean to come off in a soft way. It's just that island boy in me, expressing my feelings about me lady. Not too many men can do what I do, or even go through what we've been through. Some of them I know, some of them I've no clue. There's not enough words